crypto exchange Binance has made an important announcement that might concern Shiba Inu and XRP holders. On October 25, 2023, Binance Loans, a Binance service, will end all BUSD loan and collateral positions. Binance said in a blog post that its Binance Loans, flexible rate, service will close all outstanding BUSD loan and collateral positions on October 25 at 8 a.m. UTC. To avoid potential losses, users are urged to repay any impacted loans by October 25 at 7:59 a.m. UTC. However, Binance Loans, flexible rate, will continue to support other stablecoins as loanable in collateral assets, including FDUSD, USDT, TUSD, USDC, and DAI. Binance Flexible Loan is a standalone, over-collateralized, open-term loan product. Users can open isolated loan positions that each contain one collateral loan pair, such as BUSD collateral and F loan, in one position and USDT collateral and BTC loan, in another. Loan-to-value, LTV, ratios, as well as margin call and liquidation LTV levels, are unique to each collateral loan pair position. In August, Binance added Shib to loanable assets and collateral assets on the flexible loan and VIP loan. A look at the Binance Loans page reveals that XRP is also supported as a loanable in collateral asset. Binance continues to gradually phase out support for BUSD after the stablecoin came under regulatory pressure earlier this year. BUSD issuer Paxos ceased minting new tokens following a directive from the New York State Department of Financial Services in February this year. Binance has stated it will be terminating support for the BUSD stablecoin by February 2024 and urged users to convert their assets to other stablecoins before the set date. DOGE and Shib's price losses over the past 24 hours suggest that investors are getting rid of their holdings. DOGE's price fell by 2.80% in the past 24 hours, causing it to break below an ascending triangle on its chart. Shib's price decreased by more than 3%, and as a result, escaped a positive price channel that had formed on its daily chart. Both Dogecoin, DOGE, and Shiba Inu, Shib, saw their prices slip over the past 24 hours, which suggests that meme-coin investors are cashing in their holdings. Additionally, DOGE and Shib broke out of bullish chart patterns over the past 24 hours of trading. Dogecoin, DOGE. CoinMarketCap indicated that DOGE saw its price drop by 2.80% over the past day, which left the meme-coin trading hands at $0.06199. The intraday volume for DOGE did, however, increase by about 5.96%. As a result, the altcoin's 24-hour trading volume settled at $238,007,814. A bullish ascending triangle had formed on DOGE's daily chart throughout the past 2 weeks. This pattern suggested that the cryptocurrency may attempt to break above $0.06450, the base of the pattern, in the next few days. However, over the past 24 hours, DOGE's price had broken out below this triangle pattern, suggesting that the forecasted bullish move may not take place. As a result, the meme coin is currently exposed to the risk of correcting down to the next support level at $0.05835 through the course of the next week. This risk could be mitigated if DOGE is able to break above the aforementioned $0.06450 mark in the next few days. This may then lead to the altcoin rising to as high as $0.07195. Shiba Inu, Shib. The past 24 hours were even rougher for Shib as its price ended up decreasing by over 3%. This left the meme coin trading at $0.000073007, which was just above its daily low price of $0.000072558. On the bright side, Shib's price was still up by 0.46% in its weekly time frame. The price of Shib escaped a positive price channel that had formed on its daily chart over the past 3 weeks. At press time, the meme coin was trading below this ascending channel, which suggested that the altcoin may be at risk of dropping to the immediate support level at $0.0000700 in the upcoming week. Furthermore, a significant bearish technical flag was on the verge of being triggered on Shib's daily chart. At press time, the daily RSI line was attempting to cross below the daily RSI SMA line. Should these two lines cross, it may suggest that sellers have gained the upper hand. Consequently, the cryptocurrency's price could drop to as low as $0.0000633 in the short term. This bearish thesis may be invalidated if Shib is able to close a daily candle above $0.0000755 in the next 3 days. In this scenario, the meme coin's price may have the foundation needed to rise to the subsequent resistance level at $0.0000847 within the following fortnight. The Dogecoin, DOGE, price broke out from a long-term descending resistance trend line but failed to sustain its increase. Since the momentum reversal, the price has traded inside a bearish descending triangle pattern. Dogecoin fails to sustain increase. The daily time frame outlook shows that the DOGE price broke out from a descending resistance trend line on September 27th. Before the breakout, the line had been in place for 64 days. Invest smarter with our Doge price predictors. Despite moving above the trend line, Dogecoin failed to initiate a significant upward movement. Rather, the price reached a high of $0.064 before falling. On October 2nd, the Doge price created a bearish engulfing candlestick, red icon. This is a type of bearish candlestick in which the entire gains from the previous period are negated in the next one. Doge now trades slightly above the $0.060 horizontal area. The Weekly Relative Strength Index, RSI, is bearish. The RSI is a momentum indicator used by traders to evaluate whether a market is overbought or oversold, and to determine whether to accumulate or sell an asset. Readings above 50 and an upward trend suggest that bulls still have an advantage, while readings below 50 indicate the opposite. The RSI was rejected by 50, red circle, and is falling, both considered signs of a bearish Dogecoin price trend. However, it is important to note that the ascending support trend line in the RSI is still intact. This trend line preceded the entire upward movement that began on August 17th. Doge price prediction, bearish pattern warns of decrease. Unlike the daily time frame, which is undetermined, the 6-hour one provides a bearish outlook. There are two main reasons for this. Firstly, the Doge price is trading inside a descending triangle. The descending triangle is considered a bearish pattern, meaning that it leads to breakdowns most of the time. The rejection on October 2nd, red icon, determines the slope of the resistance trend line. Check out the best upcoming airdrops in 2023. Secondly, the upward movement inside the triangle resembles a corrective, ABC pattern, black. Elliott wave theory involves the analysis of recurring long-term price patterns and investor psychology to determine the direction of a trend. The fact that the upward movement is corrective suggests that the trend is bearish. If the meme coin breaks down from the triangle, it will likely fall by another 15% and reach the $0.052 region. The triangle's height, white, projected to the breakdown point gives this target. Despite this bearish Doge price prediction, an increase above the triangle's resistance trend line will mean that the trend is bullish instead. In that case, the price will likely increase by 8% and reach the $0.067 resistance. According to Classy Crypto, LUNC would die unless something significant happened. Classy Crypto said that the number one thing LUNC users are concerned about is burns. The influencer thinks developers do not care about burns anymore. Classy Crypto, a renowned crypto influencer, has said that the Terra Luna Classic project would die unless something significant happened. According to the influencer, there is no question about that, and he provided his reasons for coming up with such a conclusion. In a recently uploaded video, Classy Crypto said that the number one thing LUNC users are concerned about is burns. He cited a video by Clay, a famous member of the Terra Classic community, who spoke about a proposal that could burn a massive amount of LUNC and USTC. Classy Crypto was skeptical about the status of CoinIn, the crypto exchange Clay cited in the video to carry out the coin burn exercise. He showed that CoinIn is not among the top 200 crypto exchanges on CoinMarketCap. The crypto influencer acknowledged CoinIn's effort to burn LUNC and associate with the Terra Luna Classic community. However, he questioned the impact the exercise would have on LUNC, considering CoinIn's status. According to him, CoinIn is not a top exchange because it is nowhere near what he has seen. In Classy Crypto's opinion, CoinIn's burn proposal is not worth the excitement, mainly because of LUNC's relatively low status in the crypto market. He explained that LUNC is not a meme coin or the coin of a new project. On the contrary, it is a coin that has been out for a long time with a legacy community and legacy developers, but nobody wants to build on it. Developers avoid building on Terra Luna Classic because they do not care about the burns, said the influencer. Moreover, he added that the burn narrative for Terra Luna Classic is dead, emphasizing that it no longer matters to the community members and does not give them any advantage. Classy Crypto decried LUNC's insignificant market share compared to other DeFi projects, such as Friend.tech. He revealed that LUNC's total value locked is only $1.63 million, while Friend.technician's TVL is $50.59 million, per crypto data website DeFi Llama.